Suppose I'm saving for my future sake. A wonderful habit, wonderful savings. I can tell tell one thing. Really, this point is going to be connected. Maybe soon in this series only I'm going to explain. Don't worry. But anyway, the points which we require to inject, I'm going to repeat multiple times. At least one time. Maybe today may not be connected, but tomorrow if I'm talking, day after tomorrow if I'm talking, definitely it's going to be connected. One point is, you are working, you got the salary. Can you please imagine? Everyone, can you please imagine this scenario? You got the salary. From the salary, okay? So can you please tell what things you are paying usually from the salary? Your salary, how it's going out?
EMIs,
loans. Next and after that, do you know, milk bill, grocery, house expenses. Like for all the bills, your salary is going out. Correct, right? Your salary is going out. Now, my question is, you are working very hard. That money you are bringing, you are sharing to milk wala, you are sharing to internet wala, you are sharing to, okay, AI bill, you are sharing so and so, so and so, so and so, like you are distributing. Now, my question is, you are working for themselves. For milk boy sake, you are working. For paper boy sake, you are working. For internet bill sake, you are working. For current sake, current bill person, you are working. Array, you require to work for yourself also. Array, for your future. For your future. Okay. So, compulsory, you should require some money. So, once you are getting the money, compulsory, first activity what you require to do is pay yourself first. Remember this one. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first means that is what savings habit. Pay yourself first. Boss, I am working. నేను ఇంత కష్టపడి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నా అది నాకు ఉపయోగపడాలి కదా ఫస్ట్ టైం. సో ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ దిస్ మచ్ హార్డ్లీ దట్ మనీ ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు హెల్ప్ ఫర్ మీ, రైట్? And then I will think about milk wala, I will think about paper wala, I will think about remaining people. This much hard work I'm doing by facing so many politics, so many pressure in the office. Am I required to bring and giving all these people? Then what about my position? That's why first pay yourself and then spend later. First, you are working for yourself. You are working for your future sake. And then the remaining things. So, if you go for any finance domain related, so experts or any expert finance related, save first, spend later. Save first, spend later. Okay? No one is going to tell, spend first, save later. So, pay yourself first, man. That is your hard-earned money. First, you require to keep some amount for the future, for your wonderful future purpose. Arey, am I working for milk wala? Am I working for internet person? Am I working for current person? Your value is not equal to their value. Think about that. మనం పేపర్ వాళ్ళ కూరగాయలు వాడికన్నా మనం తక్కువ అన్నాం. కష్టపడి తెచ్చి మనీ వాడెవరికో ఇస్తా ఉన్నాం. నీకు నువ్వు కొంతన పే చేసుకో. యూ రిక్వైర్ టు పే యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ టు హ్యాండిల్ యువర్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్. టుమారో ఎనీ మెడికల్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ కేమ్, నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ద మనీ. ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్ మిల్క్ వాలా ఇంటర్నెట్ బిల్? అరే జియో పర్సన్, I am using your Jio for the last 3 years onwards. I paid lakhs of rupees. Can you please help me 50,000 rupees? Are you going to ask Jio wala? Are you going to ask electricity department? No one is going to help you, man. There is no way to request also. Pay yourself first. That is, save something for yourself, for your future, and then spend later.